Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this vibrant Ford Mondeo 2 litre TDCi Titanium. Now this vehicle has currently done 66,289 miles and it's finished in the colour ruby red. It does come with 5 previous services, it's been well maintained and it's an incredible saloon. It does sit nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You do have the dynamic LED adaptive headlights. There is also keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You don't have to touch the key fob to unlock the vehicle. In the boot you'll find 541 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,437 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ice fix points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Up top you do have the fixed panoramic roof that floods the interior with heaps of natural lighting. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat as well, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you've got your cruise control as well as controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you also have infotainment controls. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different vehicle information. You've got your trip computer, fuel economy, there's also your driver assist features. You do have your lane keeping system, hill start assist, your traffic sign recognition. You can also access some settings there as well. In the middle display you have access to your audio, compass and telephone settings. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB, auxiliary input, Bluetooth and a CD player for your own music. You do have your Bluetooth telephone menu, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. The system also features navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You do have access to your dual zone automatic climate control on the display. You also have some system and vehicle settings available to you here. Below the display you also have some physical controls for your dual zone climate control. In the centre console here you have your 6-speed manual gear selector and your electronic handbrake. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.